Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for special occasion and events planning. Business isn't quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here, or if you want to see templates. So let's start from here. First, here you have to choose the topic and the type of your business. So the topic might be events planning, and the type services, and maybe it's blog. Okay, you can choose one of these templates. You can start with one of these here, and you can also build your own template. So let's get started from here. Now let's go. So here you can enter your business name. Type any business name you like for events planning business. Here you're gonna build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make it attractive. So you can do whatever you like, anything you like to make your site looks better and attractive to attract customers and people more. So that's it. So all the sections must be in attractive sections. Here add page to your site, choose the color. You can choose any color you like from here, match with your business, and here choose the font. So here you can choose if you want to continue and add the details about your website, add the description, and choose the writing style, or if you want to skip, I'm gonna skip this. So this is your home page. If you want to edit it, you can edit it from here. Click here, click edit, and first thing here you can change, you have to change this text here. So introduce your brand. So for example, you can type anything to make it attractive. The text, for example, welcome to our site for a special occasion, and events planning. And now you can change the text here on this label. For example, get started, or whatever you like to type to uh, as you like. Now you can go to the background and change it. You can choose just a simple art, or if you wanna use the image as a background. So select from library and go to the free image and search here on uh, special occasion and events planning. So I'm gonna choose this. You can move these sections, you can move it up or down, you can save it from here or duplicate it as you like. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section, and select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Also you can add a blog, add image or text or video, whatever you like. Now let's continue Before we go from here, you can edit the site header. So first you can upload the logo as a file or from your library, or a mobile logo image. Also you can change the site title, and you can customize the element section, the button, and the social icon size, the language switch. So that's it. Now let's move on. Here you can change the wave intensity and the text size. So let's move on. Now first you have to delete this image and add another one, put it here. So I'm gonna choose this for example. The text also you can make it bigger, the paragraph, so you can choose hidden for example. You can change it if you want. So use this space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, what makes them unique. So you can change the text here as you like. And also you can the background, just a simple art. You can select just a simple art, so like this. Also here just a simple art on the background. You can change the social links. Here you can remove this image, and instead of this image you can add a map for example. So click here, and you can change the business name, add your business name, and you add your address and the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the design of the map. And the background, a simple arch as the same thing as normal. The footer section also just a simple arch, or if you want to change the location and the hours and the contact here. So that's it. After you're done from here, just after you're done from designing your website and customize it, you can just save this and go to the student section, add the product to your inventory, and add the way to get paid, and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and get started, start your business and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for a special occasion and events planning business, easy and quick. So thank you for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.